Samsung's folding plans are unfolding just the way they wanted. They have indeed done the impossible, as they have confirmed that Galaxy Z series is now pulling customers from other brands like Apple, Xiaomi and Google 3 times more than the Galaxy S series. This conversion rate has genuinely shocked Samsung. In fact, Samsung officially admitted that Galaxy Z series will surpass the S series by 2025. Samsung's foldable phones will claim about 50% of the yearly Samsung sales and revenue, while the rest of the revenue goes to Galaxy S, M and A lineup. That's also the time when Samsung will disrupt the market by launching the first of a kind budget Galaxy Fold model. This confirms that Samsung's most risky decision of all time, which is killing the Note series and merging it with the S series, was indeed the right move. That created this new space for the foldables in the market, and now the impossible move is done, as foldables are surpassing the Galaxy S series. The Z Fold 4 is officially Samsung's best phone when it comes to battery life. Finally, a great battery life on a Samsung flagship, something both S21 Ultra and S22 Ultra failed to do. The Z Fold 4 beats them despite having a smaller 4400 mAh battery. Not just that, even the Z Flip 4 is delivering a better battery life than the Galaxy S22 Ultra. This was unimaginable to see on a flip phone, beating out a 5000 mAh Galaxy Ultra flagship. Samsung's secret is this new light mode, which optimizes the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 in a way that it extends battery life, and while not being applied to the gaming scene, meaning as soon as you launch the game, you get the full performance experience. As I'm using both Z Flip 4 and the Fold 4 personally, I gotta say the battery performance has genuinely shocked me. Most people are saying that they'll give up the extra zoom on the S22 Ultra for the best battery life performance, better, smoother animation, already getting One UI 5.0 features despite being on One UI 4.1.1, and of course having this immersive experience thanks to the foldable form factor. Like I said, the only downside is the price, but if you can afford it, it is worth it considering the performance and the battery that you're getting with the Fold 4. Samsung's pre-order gifts do help you a lot. You can get almost £600 off if you have a Galaxy Note 20 Ultra or any of the latest Samsung flagship phones. As for the camera, the Z Fold 4 is bringing results that are actually equal or even better than the S22 Ultra. I gotta say, Samsung's folding plans are unfolding just the way they wanted. They truly are the innovation king right now, and they have done the impossible. Let me know what you think about the Z series taking over the Galaxy S series slowly but surely. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.